Here's another item that you guys always ship. We're in Price Mart, Kingston, Jamaica. You know, we love to do these videos. Yep, we're in Kingston on Valentine's Garden Drive in Price Mart. Taking a look at this here. It's 40 grand. It's a carrying system with a car seat and a stroller. If you're interested in getting one of these, let us know. We'll price the shipping, clearing, and delivery to your front door for you. And we're sure with the shipping and everything, it'll cost less than 40 grand. This car seat here is 36,000, well over $200. Can't say it's the best quality or the luxury of the range or the iron of the range. Yeah, we're in Price Mart, Jamaica, as I said before, doing it up for you. If you're ever interested in shipping one of these, just let us know. We'll be more than happy to price it out for you. We're here looking at a product right now. It's a baby playpen. In Jamaica, it's 13,000 and change. Cannot say the brand is the best or the quality is the best. Cannot speak for this brand. It's an off brand. I'm sure you see these things on the internet dirt cheap all the time. There's the product all set up. If you want a quote on shipping one of these, just reach out to us. Let us know. We're more than happy to give you a quote at any time.